My name is Shwetnisha Panikar. I head application technology at Merck. Merck is a science and technology company. We are curious minds dedicated to human progress. Our work impacts millions of lives. We empower scientific breakthroughs. We create the next generation of materials.
Hi, my name is Harsha. I work in a Merck central function called Merck Data Office. Merck is a vibrant science and technology company, and we are into 3 areas of business: healthcare, life science, and electronics. At Merck, we are a data-savvy company. So innovation powered by data and digital is one of the top-line agenda items that we typically work on. And we partner with our business experts, we partner with domain experts to create data products and digital solutions that can eventually offer cutting-edge technologies and products to our end customers and patients. So if I have to provide you some examples of some of the innovative solutions that Merck has been working on. So artificial intelligence in drug discovery. So we want to now tap into the power of artificial intelligence, and we want to capitalize on the concepts of AI to ensure that we are able to expedite the whole process of drug discovery and development. We want to ensure that we are able to run an ecologically viable business, and we want to start leveraging the green energy sources as much as possible. And all this is possible only by tapping on and harnessing the power of data and digital.
Merck IT empowers our research and scientific community. Our tools in IT and processes and digital platform helps the research be quick and also helps medicines to be delivered to the patients quickly.
Hi, I'm Anuprita. I'm the head of IT, MITC in India. Merck, if you see the legacy, it's a 350-year-old company. It has its own culture, and that's something which I really love, is that they act with urgency. There is a lot of empowerment given to employees, and there's always a scope to do more and innovate as much as you would want to. This is an agile organization, and that's what really drives me to work in Merck IT Center in India, and this is an exciting journey which I would want everyone to experience who comes to Merck and joins us. Our ambition is to become the partner of choice for the Merck as an organization.
Yeah, my name is Radhika, and I've been with Merck for the last 6 years, and I managed the ERP execution space here. It has been about 6 years back when I got the offer letter at Merck. I got to know from the HR that I need to work from the 1:30 to 10:30 shift. I thought that this would really not work for me, so I spoke to my manager and asked if he could accommodate a different shift for me. He was quite supportive for that, and he ensured that I changed my shift. And that support from me on that day is what helped me stay with this company for 6 long years. I would really say Merck is definitely a go-to company where they take care of you for both professionally and at the personal front as well. I would highly recommend Merck to everybody.
Hi, I'm Srilata Kulkarni, Senior Manager, part of Data and Analytics team from MITC Bangalore location. At Merck, diversity and inclusion is not a nice-to-have option, it's a must. We have excellent initiatives like Women in Leadership, Women at IT, Inclusive Leadership Program for all people managers across the globe. We also have strong KPIs to ensure we make that difference.
Hi, I'm Ram, and I'm an automation and design expert with Merck IT Infotech. While on a regular day, you would find me working on different automation solutions for the different teams that we work with. One Friday afternoon, you'd find me delivering a satirical TED Talk-like talk to my colleagues, while on another, I'm delivering a guest lecture on DevOps at a college. One day, I am presenting some new technology that we have brought in, while on another, I'm hosting the annual award ceremony. One morning, I'm out there planting trees or doing science experiments with children, while on another, I'm consulting with my colleagues on an audit solution. To me, Merck is more than just a workplace. It's more of a community where talent matters.
Diversity, equity and inclusion. This is our key focus area at MITC. We just celebrated the Diversity Week at Merck global level with a strong motive and tagline, "Move the Minds," which is very important to us. So a lot of focus groups created for an open discussion on the challenges of DE&I. So I would like to mention two important initiatives we took. One is to our all people managers and leaders, the unconscious bias training, which we think is super important for all our people leaders. And second is our focus on hiring differently abled people, which is, I think, the next level we would like to achieve. I would also like to talk about our Rainbow Network India, which is for our LGBTQ plus employees, to create that safe and inclusive environment. Because we at MITC and Merck truly believe that a diverse environment brings creativity and innovation.
This is Manikantan. I am Director and Head of Custom Applications and New Technologies. I have been with Merck for last 7+ years. We do a lot of R&D in the technologies area because since we are associated with new technologies, if you see 4-5 years before, we created our first IoT platform, and we had explored a lot of new technologies. Recently, we were exploring digital twin and metaverse, even in the blockchain area. We invest heavily on new technologies. What motivates me is the freedom. We are always open to change if that benefits the system. If you see from the senior analyst role, from the director role, the kind of freedom I have to explore the technologies, to go to the business and help them to succeed in their business, I don't think we'll get anywhere other than that.
Hi everyone, I'm Kavita Jagannath. I'm with Merck for more than a year and a half now. I work with the R&D sector as a business partner and a project manager. I've known Merck for quite a few years now. My friends work here and I've seen them grow professionally and as an individual. I value and I admire the values and work culture at Merck. The values that personally resonate with me are the employee development mindset that the leadership has here, the diversity and inclusivity, the collaborative spirit that the leaders demonstrate when they are speaking on various platforms. So I feel that a company, when I work with a company with such high values, they would definitely appreciate and encourage my expertise that I bring to the table, and we grow together. So after a year and a half now, I feel that I've made a right decision and I'm quite happy here.
Hi, I am Dipan Chaudhary. I am in Merck for almost 2 years now. I take care of the service delivery for our application. Merck is the place where I can prove myself. Merck as an organization helps to magnify my strength, and I am able to make my day-to-day work more meaningful. My manager helps to build on my development skills, leadership qualities.
My name is Gaurav and I'm part of IT infrastructure management, leading the data center operations. We are living the high impact culture at Merck, where one of the behaviors is disagree openly, decide and deliver. So there is great emphasis on creating a culture of trust, open communication and honest feedback. And I would say this is where it all starts. So this is the stepping stone for creating an empowerment. And in my role, being a manager, I have a fair degree of autonomy. I'm empowered to take decisions and solve problems. When there is a need, we get the right tools, the right resources. There is a sounding board for the ideas, and this all creates a sense of purpose and empowerment.
My name is Harsha and I am in supply chain project where I am a delivery manager, service delivery manager, and I support track and trace business model. My journey at Merck has been exciting and filled with fair amount of opportunities. I have been appreciated and recognized time and again to learn new technologies, competing technologies in the market, and utilize it to identify and automate any cumbersome manual task that we see in the daily task or jobs that we do, besides the main roles and responsibilities that I have. Thanks to the learning platforms, I have enough resources easily accessible to support my career vision and contribute at organization level.
A very good career growth company.
It's a great journey for me.
The very fact that what we do touches millions of lives, I think for me is special.
It has been exciting and I've learned a lot of things from Merck.
The 3 years I've been here, fantastic.
Exciting and empowering.
The journey has been wonderful so far.
Oh, it has been a roller coaster ride for me at Merck.
I will say it is exemplary.